Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Cancer Water Sign. This is June monthly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to feel it. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Cancer Water Sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Messages for Cancer and what's going on. Lord of Fire energy. The person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Page of Cups with Death and Ten of Cups. I think someone is coming back with an apology. Someone want to say to you, maybe you want to say something. You want to send some text to your person, but I think from your person side, you are getting text. Someone want to communicate with you. Page of Cups. I think there is separation for some you are in right now. There is one type of ending for some. For some, there is a chance for new beginnings because death is a ending and a new beginnings also. And the person involved in this connection could be Scorpio especially. So some message from your person and apology. So let's see your reading recent past. King of Wands, Eight of Wands and Five of Cups. You may be feeling sad for someone or something. For some, maybe this is on and off connection. Maybe there is no equal give and take in this connection. That's why you're feeling sad. For some, you are in no contact or separation. And Eight of Wands, there was communication happened between you and your person, but maybe it was not going well. Maybe the issues, maybe disturbances. Then you're taking your control back. You stand by your power. Then present Four of Wands, Queen of Swords and King of Cups. So you want Four of Wands happiness from your person. Maybe it is not happening. That's why maybe you decided to cut off this person from your life. And there is, yeah, you still have emotions for this person, King of Cups. For some, maybe a new person entering your life to offer their cup of love to you. Here, two cases. Maybe this is you having emotions for your person. Yes, if even though you are in separation, for some, maybe a new person entering in your life. And then because you want best, you want marriage. Less than that, you don't want. And future, the Hierophant, Ace of Swords, Emperor. Again, without commitment, without marriage, you don't want to continue. That's why you decided to cut off this person. Maybe you are going to cut off this person from your life. And the Emperor, now you stand by your power. Now you're taking your control back. Yes, without, you want commitment. You want marriage. Cancer. And then some truth, some communication, some clarity is coming in future. Definitely there will be some communication between you and your person. Then from that communication you will get clarity. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So Cancer, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then you will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Again, see under the deck, Ace of Swords, the Star. You will get communication and clarity. Six of Wands. Maybe your person want success in this connection. So let's see their current feelings. Cancer, your person current feelings. Okay, Two of Cups. Knight of Cups, Empress, and Seven of Wands and Temperance. Maybe right now they're waiting for right time. They want to restore the balance within this connection and they won't give up on you because Seven of Wands energy is here. And this love is mutual. And Knight of Cups, this person have romantic feelings for you. This person is very, very romantic. And for some, maybe the person, woman in this connection could be pregnant or one person maybe have kids also involved in this connection. Yeah, this love is mutual. They won't give up on you if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, definitely they want to take this relationship to next level. But patience is the key here. So let's see their intentions. Cancer, their intentions towards you. Queen of Pentacles, Four of Cups, the Sun, Nine of Swords and Seven of Swords under the deck. Yeah, they are missing you so much. They're losing their nights over you. For some, there are some trust issues. One person is sneaky in this connection. Maybe in past they cheated on you, lied to you. Maybe they scared for rejection also. That's why they're taking their time to come forward. And yes, they are feeling alone without you. They're feeling bored without you. Maybe they're realizing that you are their happiness. To be honest, in action wise, I'm not seeing any proper action right now, but maybe in future the energy will change, but they won't give up on you for sure. And this love is mutual between both of you, Cancer. And yes, now they are missing you. This love is mutual. Now they're realizing you both, they're missing you. They won't give up on you, but it will take some time to make a move towards you, because right now they're missing you and they're scared for rejection also, because they hurt you in past, but now they're awakening because the sun, for some children's also involved in this connection. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Strength, yes, they scared for rejection. Maybe, yeah, waiting mode. Right now your person is in waiting mode. They're waiting for right time. They're getting their strength to come back. And Ace of Pentacles, yes, your person want new beginnings. They're eagerly waiting for new beginnings with you. They're thinking about you a lot, Cancer. For some, you both are in long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states, and they want to marry you and they want second chances. Yeah, maybe it is late, but they will come back. Maybe in past they treated you as an option, cold shouldering. Cancer. Yeah, now they are coming back with an apology. Someone want to say apology to this to other person in this connection, and let's see mutual. Again, trust issues. That's why they're scared. That's why they're taking their time. Yeah, Seven of Wands. Six of Cups with Four of Swords. Right now, you both are in no contact situation, but thinking about each other a lot. Yes, because Six of Cups, you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. Definitely trust issues, but they won't give up on this connection. They will try. They can't let you go. So, yeah, they are coming back with an apology. They realize their mistake. But it's up to you totally to accept or reject. So, let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Holding back. I need some space now because they are not ready. They are scared for some. True love, I'm afraid to tell you how I feel. Past person return and free yourself. So the messages are holding back. I need some space now. True love, I am afraid to tell you how I feel. And past person return and free yourself. So these are the messages from your person, and take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Definitely for some, they're afraid to tell you because they're scared. Because in past they hurt you. Now they realize their mistake. True love, I need some space. Past person and holding back. Step out of your comfort zone. So if you want to achieve anything in your life, if you're doing hard work, so you have to do more. Step out of your comfort zone. Leaving your comfort zone, you have to be very consistent towards your hard work, and don't let pride get in your way. Maybe your person will approach you, then don't show your attitude or pride. Maybe sometimes it will damage the relationship. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.